Most people think making a professional lyric video costs hundreds of dollars, but you can actually create one with AI in under 30 minutes. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas into a full song and video without expensive software or editing skills, this is how you do it step by step. First, you need the music. Head over to Sondo AI. This tool lets you generate full songs using simple text prompts. If you're not sure what to write, just describe the style you want. For example, you could say you want a pop song with emotional lyrics, or a rap track with a confident vibe. You can even be more specific by describing the mood, theme, or inspiration. Once you enter your prompt, Sondo will generate both the music and lyrics for you. Listen to a few versions and pick the one you like best. That's your foundation. Now that you have your song, the next step is turning it into a lyric video. For that, go to Open Art. After logging in, look for the Music Video or Lyric Video feature. Upload or paste your generated song into the platform. Once it loads, you'll be able to customize your video settings. Choose your video format like widescreen for YouTube or vertical for TikTok, and then pick a visual style. There are preset styles available, and honestly, many of them already look great without extra tweaking. Before generating the full video, use the storyboard preview feature. This is really important. It shows you all the scenes the AI created based on your lyrics. Go through each one carefully and check for mistakes, especially in the text. Sometimes the AI slightly miswrites lyrics, so fix anything that looks off. If a scene doesn't look right visually, you can regenerate just that part instead of redoing everything. This saves time and credits. Now, if you want to take your video to the next level, you can improve consistency between scenes. One way to do that is by taking a screenshot of a style you like and using a tool like ChatGPT to generate a more refined visual prompt. Then, reuse that prompt across scenes to keep everything looking cohesive. Once everything looks good, go ahead and generate the full video. After rendering, you can preview the final timeline, make small edits if needed, and then download your finished lyric video. And that's it. You've just created a full AI-generated song and a professional-looking lyric video without hiring anyone or spending a lot of money. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more step-by-step AI tutorials like this.